Hi, and welcome to another product close-up from This Calls for Confetti. We have a pack of our 3.5-inch round full front shaker pockets here on the screen. Now, this is going to give you 5 of the 3.5-inch round tabbed full front shaker pockets, plus you're getting 2 coordinating dies. The largest die measures 3 3/8 of an inch, with the smaller measuring 2 7/8 of an inch. Each pocket has a protective film. We recommend you remove it with a small piece of low tack or removable tape, such as Scotch removable tape. Press the tape firmly over the acetate and then slowly peel it off. If the protective film does not peel off, flip the pocket over and repeat the process. The protective film is only on one side of the pocket, so when they are stacked together in the packaging, it protects the side against the next pocket. So I have a tip to share with you to make the process a little bit easier. I found that applying double-sided tape to the back of your cardstock before running it through your die cutting machine is so much easier than laying tape along the edges of the die cut cardstock. Now, after die cutting, I simply start to partially peel the release paper from the adhesive on the back of the cardstock and then fold the tabs down, continuing around. I'm going to leave 4 to 5 tabs open so that I can come in and pour my sequins in, and then I'll lay this flat and continue laying those tabs down on the adhesive. Now, I do like to leave the release paper on the back of the shaker until I'm ready to use it. A couple of fun facts about our acetate products is you can use your hot foil plates with them, and you can also use them in embossing folders. Here's a quick sample of a card I created, and I used a hot foil plate before I put my shaker together. I will have a video coming up shortly here on this channel showing you how I go about hot foiling for the best results with this product. We hope you'll subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product close-ups and tutorials. We appreciate you all so very much, and don't forget to add a little confetti to each day.